Hello everyone, I welcome you to Constech Academy. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the fee. So, the other time I was facing a challenge in respect to attendance. I have solved it, and I know you are not also facing that. If you are still facing that problem, can you let me know so that we proceed? Okay. Yeah. So how did I solve it? You just come to file. I was seeing that the micro was not running, so I go to options, then go to trust issue, then click on trust center settings, go to micro settings and click on enable and click on OK. Save your work, close the file and reopen it. So we are coming to look at the bill. So first of all, let's expand the column C, column B. Let's expand it. We also expand column C also. Okay, so all this is set and done. We'll just go and copy the whole of this. You're going to copy all of them. Control A to select all. We don't need this one, so we'll deselect it. So Control C to copy. Then you come here, Control V to paste. Control V to paste. That's all. It's looking nice. Okay. So you select from 8 to 12 and you give it that color. This color. So we need to select all again. Select this one. Go back to bill. Select it. Then select all again. Select the subject. Then move it to the top a little bit. Okay, so arrange this one nicely. That's good. So now come to come to 14. Expand 14. Increase the no, undo that. That's not what I mean. 14. You expand it, the height. Give it a nice color. I'll give it this color. That's correct. Then from here, I'll select the whole of here up to here, and I'll format it. I'll bold it. Increase the font size, and I'll put it at middle and then center. Now, just in caps, all bills. Then we have amount. Then we have tuition fee. This is for private schools. So you know private schools they take tuition fee. Government school they don't take tuition fee. Printing fee. We have bus user. Then we have feeding fee. Sports levy. We have PTA dues. We have library. We have ICT. we have maintenance. I believe that's all for me. If you have other bills you want to add, you can equally add. Okay, you can equally add. So select the whole of here, and give it a nice color which is different from this one. Now select the whole of here, and then click here, go to all borders, select this one, match the this one, select this is also part. So here we have subtotal. So let's do the calculation. Is equal to sum. Then you add the whole of here. Press enter. Make it sorry, let me add some number over here. Let's see some. Undo that. Make here currency rather. So let's see. That's correct. So very important. After you are done with this, we'll just have two buttons, two shapes, which you use as a button. So go to home, put it at center and middle, increase the font size to 12, bold it. So here, right there, clear all bills. So here, expand it a little bit. So this one, give the color our favorite color. Then copy, Ctrl V to copy, Ctrl V to paste. And here you write the this one will help us to track student bill. Maybe they are school fees. View order bill. Please be preparing for Google Sheet class. Google Sheet is very powerful. That one is an online one. Okay, it's not online, so meaning if you create it, you can share it to people. They can easily access it. So if I enter data right now online and I save it, and you also you have access to it, and open, you have the access to that same data, you can also add that data. So prepare for Google Sheets masterclass on using this to develop our SBA. The price will be 100 cedis. Yes, yeah, it's supposed to be 200 cedis, but because of your your dedication to learn more, and that has caused me to reduce the price to 100 cedis. So now you create this bill. I want you to create a macro. I want to see indeed if you are really following it or not. So I've already I've already created the macro. I'll just assign it to it. So this is it. This is my own. So you create your own. I want create your own. Yeah, I want you to learn. So this is what I've done. Do your own. So I will assign my own. So I click and assign macro. So I will select, and I will select this one. I click on OK. Those of you who will be complaining that I didn't know, let me show it to you. I don't want any complaint. So go to edit. This is the code that I've written. The same thing. The cell you are clearing is on cell C16 to C20, I believe 20. Let me check again. The last cell is what? C25. So let me do that correction. So C25. I will save it and I'll run it. And I believe you too have done it. So let me select this one, give it a different color. I'll right click on this and I will assign it to, I will link it to, come here, assign it to other bills. This one, and click on OK. You can't edit the link. I haven't added, so add a view order bill, and this bill is the school fees. Okay, the school fees of the student. Okay, I hope it's clear. So if I hover over it, view order bill, if I hover over this, you are still in learner's bill already. I hope it's clear. So we know what we can do now. We are just going to hide some of these things that are not needed. So from P, Control Shift and then right arrow key on your keyboard to select everything, then right click and select hide. I'm going to do for the same thing here. Select the whole of this, Control Shift and down arrow key, and then you right click on one of the cells, one of the rows, and then you hide. So here we'll write a formula that will hide this gray line for us, so don't worry about it. Okay, now in our next lesson we'll look at bill, master sheet, and then you look at comment, add comment, report, SMS. So don't worry. So make sure to save your work. Thank you very much for learning and hope to see you in the next session. Make sure you save your work. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help your brother, subscribe and like a video. Thank you very much. You can also comment any of the videos. I beg you. Thank you.